Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. Yes, my hair is not done, looking rank, but there is a reason for that. Duvolle has kindly sent me a package and we are going to use this item to fix my hair. Let's just do a quick unboxing. Opening up the package here. Very exciting. Okay. Ooh, this is so exciting, guys. So this is the Duvolle Desire Series Styling Iron. So I'm just gonna open the box. Oh my gosh, guys, it is pink. So the cord is stuck behind. I'm just gonna pop this out. Inside here, I think it's just a pamphlet, but it just tells you the warning and all the information. The styling iron is so cute. I have a ring light going on and it's super bright. What's great about the styling iron is that you can adjust the temperature. There is a dial where you can turn it and you can go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. There's an on and off button here which you can just switch up and it's on. The light goes red. I'm thinking of doing like a Sleeping Beauty look where it's sort of straight here and then it just curls on the ends. And the first thing that you want to do is brush your hair. I actually brushed mine a little bit before recording. I'm just gonna pop this up here while it heats up. When the iron is ready for use, the light that was once red when you turned it on will now be green. Some people like to clip their hair up. I just keep it down because I just find clipping it up takes way too long for me and I'm kind of impatient when it comes to my hair. So I just grab a tiny piece. Ooh. Okay, this is the first curl. And my goodness, it is super hot because I can see the heat waves here. So I'm just gonna turn it down just a bit. So you just continue the process by grabbing a little piece or a big piece, however the size you want. I do not have them all being the same size. Like, they're pretty different. I like the variety in size. Curls, put the hair in between the flat iron, pull it gently. You don't have to rush this. And when you get to near the end, you just want to start twisting the flat iron down and pulling it out and you will get a curl. So far, as a first impression, I like it. It definitely heats up very quickly and it's making my hair super soft as I go. Yes, I'm aware that my hair needs to be fixed with color because I haven't gone in a year. It's making it super shiny. It's very easy to use. As you can tell, this chunk is a lot bigger than the one I had initially, but I don't really care. I just like to twirl it around after it's done just to give that extra curl and it loosens up afterwards. About to go near the top now. So far, you don't really have to do it twice down. It will straighten right away. You guys don't have to pull very hard with this. It's does the job very nicely. Look at that. I am enjoying this. I like to hold it at the top here just for extra support so I'm not completely pulling my hair down. Like, there's some resistance here. Look at this. I'm getting my hair done in less than a month, so this issue here will not be here. The front piece, I like to take the bigger chunk of it instead of just a teeny tiny strand because for me that normally gets in the way of my face. I like it big so then it kind of clumps together in a way off to the side. Be careful not to clamp your skin, guys, or go anywhere near your scalp, face, whatever, because it will burn. It's very hot. Here's an example of a piece that didn't really get curled. That's so easy to fix, guys. You just get that little piece there, clamp it, and twist it. And I'm kind of just holding it down, that piece. And then it curls. And then what I like to do is kind of just fluff it from the roots. And yes, you guys, I did not use any heat protectant in my hair, which I should have. I just don't have any on hand right now. So once you are done, always remember to turn this off and unplug it. You do not want to be burning your furniture down or whatever else is nearby. So I'm just going to place this up here to cool down. Make sure that you're either putting it on a surface that will not melt or burn, or what I like to do, because my furniture would melt otherwise, is put it on the very edge. Make sure that the plates are sticking off the edge here and it's not all the way on top here. So the hot part is away and it's airing out. This is what my hair looks like from the back. Just very easy going. I like it. If you really want that look that Sleeping Beauty has, she wears a headband. I don't have the exact one. This is just one that I've had since I was a kid. It's black. It's got kind of these teeth and kind of get the same effect. I think hers would look better with a different headband, but it sort of gives that look. But you know, she kind of has a headband. You can push it forward a little bit and it creates a bit more of a bump here. If you like that look, and that's it. I'm taking this out because I don't want this in my hair today. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I just want to thank you for sticking through this video. I know it's not really well put together, but honestly I like when things are very raw, and this was not rehearsed at all. Literally got the package, unboxed it, and now I'm doing my hair because I have to go somewhere, so I figured this is the perfect opportunity to unbox it and do it, which is exactly what I did. And because I actually liked this product, this is why this section here is being included in it. You guys actually can get a discount off of this product if you would like to purchase it off of the Duvolle website. You can get 70% off using the coupon code EricaJ. And not only can you get it on hairstyling tools, but you could also get that discount off of the Radiance Spin Care System. I actually have the Radiance Spin Care System and it is fantastic. I am sure there are other YouTubers who love it too. I would not be raving about it if I didn't like it. If you have not watched my morning skincare routine, you totally should. I teach you how to use it. I show you the steps that I take when I wash my face in the morning. But anyways, I'm rambling now, and I just also want to thank Duvolle for gifting me with this beautiful, amazing product.